Imagine, how often has a sudden bout of anxiety prevented you from seizing the day? More common than you might think, anxiety can dramatically affect our daily lives. It can turn simple social interactions into overwhelming challenges or make a productive day at work feel like an insurmountable mountain. When anxiety hits, our bodies respond in kind. Our heart rate spikes and a sense of restlessness takes hold, making it difficult to focus on anything else. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a significant issue that can affect our relationships, our careers, and our overall well-being. But it's not all doom and gloom. Recognizing the impact of anxiety is the first step towards managing it. And managing anxiety? Well, that's key to unlocking a more fulfilling, less stressful day-to-day life. But what if there was a way to conquer this anxiety within just 30 seconds? Yes, you heard it right. Conquering anxiety in 30 seconds is not a myth. Now, let's unravel the mystery of this 30-second anxiety solution. It may sound like a magic spell, but it's not. It's a scientifically backed method that combines physiological and psychological principles. Here's the science bit. When anxiety kicks in, it triggers our fight or flight response, sending adrenaline pumping through our veins. This solution is designed to intervene in that process, to calm the body and mind. From a psychological perspective, it's about gaining control over your mind's response to stress. The key lies in understanding that you are not a passive victim of your anxiety. You can actively manage and alleviate it. This 30-second solution isn't some lofty theory. It's a practical tool, a mental exercise that you can use anytime, anywhere to regain control over your anxious thoughts. Ready to dive into the step-by-step guide of this 30-second solution? Stay with us. It's time to take control of your anxiety, and it starts now. Imagine yourself standing in front of a seemingly insurmountable wall of anxiety. Now let's break down that wall step by step within just 30 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, 30 seconds. Firstly, let's start with controlled breathing. This technique is all about harnessing the power of your breath. Inhale deeply, hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this for about 10 seconds. What controlled breathing does is that it helps to slow down your heart rate and stabilize your body, essentially signaling your brain to switch from a state of alarm to a state of calm. Next, we move on to grounding techniques. It's a fancy name for bringing your attention back to the present moment. For the next 10 seconds, focus on your surroundings. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? This helps to distract your mind from anxious thoughts and bring you back to reality. Finally, we arrive at cognitive reframing, a technique that's all about changing your perspective. For the last 10 seconds, try to reshape your thoughts. Instead of viewing a situation as threatening, see it as a challenge or an opportunity for growth. This helps to reduce the intensity of your anxiety and promotes a more positive mindset. Each of these techniques plays a critical role in managing your anxiety. Controlled breathing helps to physically calm your body. Grounding techniques help to pull your mind away from anxious thoughts. And cognitive reframing helps to reshape your perspective towards a more positive outlook. Remember, the power to manage your anxiety lies within you. These techniques are merely tools to help you harness that power. And the beauty of this 30-second solution is that you can use it anytime, anywhere. Whether you're feeling anxious at work, at school, or even at home, this solution is always at your disposal. In just 30 seconds, you've taken a significant step towards managing your anxiety. Let's recap our quick and powerful solution to anxiety. We've unveiled a simple yet effective method that can be deployed in just 30 seconds. The heart of this approach lies in grounding yourself in the present moment, focusing on your breath, and acknowledging your anxiety without judgment. Through these steps, we've learned to disrupt the cycle of anxious thoughts and feelings, grounding ourselves back to the present. By focusing on our breath, we're taking control of our physiological responses,
calming our racing heart and easing our tense muscles. And by acknowledging our anxiety without judgment, we're fostering a healthier relationship with our emotions. The magic of this 30-second solution lies not just in its simplicity, but also in its adaptability. It can be practiced anytime, anywhere, providing a handy tool in your arsenal against anxiety. Regular practice strengthens your anxiety management skills, leading to a calmer, more centered you. Remember, anxiety might be a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. With this 30-second solution, you have the power to conquer it anytime, anywhere.